Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find classes with at least 5 students. For example, we have a table courses together with students attending the classes, and we need to write the solution to find all the classes that have at least 5 students. In SQL, we write a select statement and we group by class because we need to output the classes. In addition, we need to show the groups that include at least 5 students. We do not need to display all groups of classes, only those that include 5 or more students. For this, we will use having function. We say having count student greater or equal to 5. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. Similar to SQL, in Pandas we will use group by followed by count functions. So we take the data frame courses and we group by class. Then we count how many rows are there in each group. We will solve this into a new data set called statistics. Now we filter for at least 5 students in each class. We tick the new data set and we filter for student greater or equal to 5. Let's save this into a new data set called result. And we are ready to return the result. We need to return only one column called class. Let's run the code. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas as well. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Group by and having in SQL, or group by and filtering in Pandas? Let me know in the comments.